Yeah. I am. You are. Bread. Say that. Say bread. Rise and shine. Rise and shine. Please your mind. Rise and shine. Rise and shine. Rise and shine. Now you wake me up. Now it's 7 in the morning. All the trees are dancing up there. Time to get rolling. Feel yourself know that fresh air. Nature is calling. Turning you from yet to set. Have you seen the news? What you do? The news is in the trap. Rise and shine. Yeah. Rise and shine. Rise and shine. Rise and shine. Rise and shine. Yes, only. Now I'm going to take you back to memory. Remember this? Happen to time, your lips touch mine. There's a feeling so divine, like a butterfly. Every time your eyes speak back, wasn't very low. You played along. First time you pass my way, I'm tempted to touch. Freedom, freedom, right back to you. What's the new way? No praise, no praise. I cherish every moment that you're around. I might not show you, cause I can't find words to say. I try to say I love you, but I can't come by. I stopped to use the words, saying it anyway. I wish you would stay on. Yeah, right on my mind. Must find a way to keep you all to myself. Then I'll retire from staying out so late at night. When we know together, we can play doctors. If it should be forever, baby, we should turn it right. Bright up my life, like this the world. I wish you would stand up. Just like magic, I will tell you. Jamaica, Ran. We are in Ran. Jamaica. Right. Love them to the body. Prayer, patience for me. Because as a grown man, I never thought I would have reached this point. But because, yeah, it's true. But because of your love and the energy that you give, thank you. Brand. Wala naman. When you got a good woman, when you got a good man, lady, cherish, love, yeah. Because it was some time we're going like we do bad. Yeah. And then we lose it. Every time I think of saying goodbye. Every time I think of saying goodbye. Everything inside me says it's alright. So you know I can't. Now I can't. Woman, should you be with me right through the blood and get down my step? And you know, so I can't. You better. You better. They can't ever know it's been shortest track of time. Don't ask me how I'm doing. I can't say I'm doing fine. My world is not in heaven. Everything's upside down. It's no use explaining. Come see what's going on. Come back home. Misty water, not a memory for the way we were. Scared pictures of the smiles smiles we gave to one another for the way. Thank you. You know something? I am not sure
anymore
how much more of these conferences. Let's call it conference. Getting? I'm gonna have it.
what?
Yeah, huh? I wish it would have been many more. But every time I come up here on the stage, I've always tried to give you the best of me. Every single time. Barring none. Play it slow. Just know when this is no disrespect. No disrespect to the man. But could you step aside? Cause you don't know what you got. Now it's time for you to step aside. Let me show you how to treat the woman. She needs compassion. Let's go so high. Let me ask crazy. Because so loud, so loud. She's a winner. So you can play. Oh, they want to feel you. Oh, no one can do. She will not hurt you. She's a genius. She will be your friend. You play it together. Hush my brother. Good. Good day, Arkin. Yeah, true. You're just good now. Put on open door for me now. Cheers!
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 Have a drink on me. I'll pay for it. Cheers!
Cheers! Thank you.
I was
Bye.
not in love.
Beres and then you can't pay for it.
Yo, go back and listen to my PF.
Go with it. I feel a shiver. I'm a true believer. I know what it's all about. I know it's not the fluke. It's all because of you. I feel a trembling when I wake. Come back again another day. And I feel a shock of joy. My heart feels warm. Just thinking about you. Holding you, squeezing you in my arms. There's a day, there's a night. Loneliness is big bad. I'm afraid to close my eyes. Guess it's another sleepless night. Do you remember? Yeah. Boy, boy, boy. You listen to me, Jesus. Like to tell you story about one dance. You listen to me, Jesus. After a dance on the floor, she came back. Come on now. No, please, she whispered, it was so nice, yeah. But her dad sits across the way, yeah. You could hear the things I said back. And we watched us from the corner outside. So look at this, so much time. Oh, he said, oh, my. Take. Yeah. Family! Brand! Jamaica? Brand! Boy, na 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 na. Sa? Boy, na 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 na. Boy, na 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 na. Yeah. Boy, na 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 na. Sa? Boy, na 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 na. Give up, give up, give up. Again. Give up, give up, give up. Nag-dancing. Yun na. Ay. Don't have to let me without you. Don't everything to me about you. So nothing special about you. Hey! Baby, my mind. I used to take it for granted. You were the last thing in my life. Doesn't mean you're the most wanted. It was yesterday. I saw you down the lane. You were always waiting. My heart felt bad. Time. Falling in love with you again. I'm glad with the God that you were mine. Said I'm falling in love with you again. Oh, that's I'm glad with the God that you were mine. Who said I big man don't cry? Never did you want to be the head run dry. Oh, yeah. Ula.
Ula.
Ayla. Mayla. Brand. Falling in love. I'm not. Falling
in love all over again. How could I ever doubt that you were mine?
Brand. Jamaica. Brand. Jamaica. That take it from yes. Further. Brand.
Jamaica.
Next over there. Yeah. Jamaica. Yeah. And you know something? Yeah. One step. Oh my God. One step behind it. You've got to be where the spotlight shines. One step and then you're out. One step behind it, you're down. You've got to be where that spotlight shining. But you know something? That was my first number one.
Yes.
Yeah,
I remember.
follow my journey. And back then, they thought I was an American guy.
Yeah.
And so
Negative.
I couldn't even walk the streets because I had no money to take buses or taxis or nothing like that. I was broke. So, you know, even though it was my first taste of success, I had nothing. Come and walk on the yard. That's true. And then here comes another one. Would you give me a bit
Bit of your time.
Let's see what my mind that I'm in love with you, yeah. Without control. Yes, I'm in love with you. You're my mind, oh gosh, man. So on my mind.
Big tune.
You know, it's a journey.
Yeah.
Got to get away from the sun.
Yeah.
He's calling my name. Got to get away from this mood. Can't stand it. Got to get away from the memories. Gotta get myself in another must have away from this bar and snuck over night. Oh, not to burn and forget future plans. can sit my ass down. Hey,
Hey, Mr. Supervisor. Beres. Yeah, man. Real talk, Beres. Real talk. Hey.
hey, Mr. Supervisor. Think I'm gonna have to go in sick. Boy, tonight, can't get no one like this. Hey, Mr. Supervisor. That's one thing I can say. Leaving this world in the morning. It's 9 to 5 I had. Surely get it to me tonight. For the third time this week. Think I'm gonna have to go in sick. But I need you now, I need losing my mind. Nah, say, hope we never get tired.
And I never have to
We
go.
never have to go to work. No one's knocking on the door, disrespecting the notice. No one will be crying. No one's worried.
Just the whisper of our voices all day long.
Man looks sweet,
Tell
she's
him.
woman.
Surely waste.
Surely wasting her life.
Yes.
She might not say it. She needs standing next to me. To the race, baby.
Me next, me next.
It's a clear as a ball. And 10 time off. Did you wish your friend?
Yes.
Hope you're thinking
Hope we never get tired,
now.
and I never have to go to work.
No one
No one's knocking on the door.
disrespecting all these time. No baby's crying. No one's blowing. Just no whisper of voices.
Yeah! Yeah! Yeah!
Just a whisper of a voice. Just a whisper of a voice. Oh, 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 did I? Yeah.
If only I knew Beres. If only I knew.
I just love doing what I do. Pick it up! Pick it up! Did you know that?
Never to say that you're sorry.
Did you? You're the one in there. Just make it clear. Woman, you were
Just the other day,
Yeah!
told me the story. It was
not so long ago.
we talked about changing. Young and wild. Please tell me why. Now did you know that love keeps
right.
Told me that you loved me.
This is working.
Two words and broke together. Touch me in the room. This is every time. I want to tell myself. Did you know?
Never to say that you're sorry.
How could you hurt the one you love? Just like you care. Oh, no, no, no. Can you play? Can you play? Lift it up! Check it up! Come on, good! Jamaica! Brand! Jamaica! Jamaica!
More! More!
Winalo yun. Winalo yun. Winalo yun.
This is Angus, the fanciest musician that I have in the band. Look at it. Well, you know, he reminds me with his playing of the days when Jamaica had a good time. In the dances, clubs, and the music
Yeah.
promised us love. So I can remember people like Delroy Wilson and Alton Ellison, Ken Booth, and yeah, it was beautiful.
Yeah.
And I stood on those folks' shoulders. I thank them. Thank them so much. Now, oh, oh, I miss those days miss those days. Sad. Remember the song used to make you rock away. Those funny days when love used to rain. Yeah. We danced all night till the stars made rain. We can come again. That you come and stay, and I won't by any means deny folks of their time. I'd see that it's sometime.